In a game, a texture is a graphical asset. It is an image just like this sphere that we have on the screen. We can add new texture in QuickXR using the button over. So we have the texture list right here. Simply click on material and then click on texture option. Then you select a texture according to your requirement. I simply select this texture right here on my sphere, and this is going to list all the texture that are in our app. Now this option may look similar because they are exact same option that we look at when we look at making an environment. Now I have a sphere and cylinder on our platform, and I can click and drag them around, move them however I would like. Let's say I wanted to have a sphere and cylinder in a row. Well, I can do that. I will put the sphere on the left side and the cylinder on the right side. And I wanna make the different texture on both sphere as well as on cylinder. Now in here I can actually change the name of the texture. For now I don't need to do that, so I am going to leave it the same. And when I do that, so in this case we can simply code and move the sphere towards the cylinder. So we can say that sphere is on non-static while cylinder is in static position in this scenario. So when I move the sphere toward right, it moves toward the right. If I move left, forward and backward, it moves according to that. And after all, I go to code block and simply click on the control and select if do code block. And then go to option and select the collision feature and set a condition that when sphere collide to cylinder, it simply changes the texture. And then play it by clicking on play button. Try it on your own, and well, it's work. Well, we can use this button at the top of the screen. Remember, we have the duplicate button, the delete button, grow and shrink. So I am going to click on grow, and then I will click sphere a couple times and sphere will get bigger. And then I will click shrink, and then I will click cylinder a couple times and cylinder will get smaller. And we can also do this by transform properties. Also just go to transform and simply changes the size ratio of a model. So now we have a giant sphere and a tiny cylinder. So when you want to work with texture, you have a number of tools at your disposal. You can add texture using the button in the texture list. You can change the setting for your texture by using the info button, and you can adjust the sizes of your texture, also the opacity by using the button at the toolbar at the right of the screen. And after completing this, just publish this to QuickXR platform and name as texture on sphere and cylinder. So your creation shown at QuickXR gallery.